Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Trendyol seller account step by step. First, open your browser and search for Trendyol Seller Center on Google. Click on the official seller website. Once the page opens, you will see the option to become a marketplace seller or log in. Since we are creating a new account, we will focus on registration. Now click on the sign up or apply option. You will see two methods to register, using an email address or using a phone number. If you choose phone number, make sure to select the correct country code from the list. If you choose email, simply enter a valid email that you can access anytime. After that, you will be redirected to the seller application form. This is an important step because Trendyol reviews your application before approving your seller account. Here, you need to enter your business details carefully. Next, you may be asked to provide your bank account details. Make sure your bank information is correct to avoid any issues later. Once you complete the form, submit your application. After submission, Trendyol will review your details. This process may take some time depending on verification. You will receive an email once your application is approved. After approval, you can log in to your Trendyol Seller Center using your email or phone number. From there, you can start listing your products, managing orders, and tracking your sales.